I just called my spotters. They are ready for this video. I'm gonna be making a Mavic Air 2, Mavic Mini 2 range test. And we are here in my favorite spot. Beautiful place. And let's go. Alright, let me set GoPro, make sure it's good. As I mentioned, I'm using the iPad Mini with the setup. And let's go. %96 battery.
Take off.
Home point updated and let's go. Let's start recording. I'm recording.
Check code 125, advise the field of the thing. Jet card 125, advise the field of the thing. Jet card 1255 from Dallas, course south, head load 2500, cleared expressway, visual 31 approach, reduce speed to 182.
Okay. I'm flying at 300 feet right now. I have headwinds, so let's see how this goes. Pretty windy headwinds.
Check out 125, affirmative, contact the channel 1187.
Full signal.
121 Bravo, contact Cedarburg, channel 11905, good day.
Let me correct my trajectory to make sure my spotters can see the Mini. I still can see it.
Just 515, altimeter is 3000. Roger.
%83 battery.
Grant E118, Quebec, altimeter is 3000. This will be 515, clear in Bravo 4500. Traffic 12 o'clock, 9 miles opposite direction, helicopter at 3500. Uh, 355 Mike Tango, traffic 12 o'clock, 8 miles now westbound, descending at a 6.5 to 4.5, Pilatus.
As I mentioned, tomorrow is gonna be passing by here the hurricane Eta. Right now it's in South Florida. I'm very north of Florida, Tallahassee, almost Georgia. We have very hard headwinds, strong headwinds. Probably you can hear that in the camera. In the
Call New
GoPro
York
microphone.
on over the tap, come up on my frequency 120.8, please.
That's my spotting area.
3 Yankee Delta 120.8. Who else is checking out?
Let me correct.
355 Mike Tango departure 12005, good day.
my trajectory for the spotters benefit. Look at that, the transmission is perfect, and I'm, well, 300 feet from
733 Yankee
the
Delta
takeoff
radar
location,
contact over to Top
in
Bridge,
reality
altimeter
is
2999. What are your
much
intentions?
lower ground level. I see some rain at front of me.
733 Yankee
Probably
Delta,
I
radar
should
contact
go
over
back. I don't have
Bridge.
a wetsuit in this one, but we are testing.
Southwest 909 radar contact, line maintain 15,000.
Look at that, we have 8,000 already feet.
This is 515, traffic no factor, you can start descent below the Bravo.
69% battery.
47448, departure
Full signal.
12407, good day.
Something that I noticed with the Mavic Mini 2, it's that it's able to get more satellites than
Number
the
47448, departure
Mavic Air 2 and
12407.
the Mavic 2 Pro as well. Currently I have 21 satellites, 22 is bouncing. I don't know if I am in a raining area right now.
733 Yankee Delta, how do you
I'm
need me
gonna
on?
get some altitude. Let's see, 350 probably
proceed
from
on course,
ground
main
level.
outside the west
I mean
class
from
Delta.
takeoff area. Probably is 50 less from ground level. Probably I'm 300 feet now.
Southwest
Because my
909,
reception
27,
bar went a little bit down, but now it's okay again.
Right, 275 Bravo,
Look
Mike,
at that,
altimeter
I
is
passed
2999.
already the 10,000 feet already.
I have your request.
62% battery, and keep going. This time I'm not going to push too much the drone. One, because it's a brand new drone. I don't know the drone completely perfectly.
Remain outside the Delta.
Let me cancel. And two,
November
because I know it's
733
really
Yankee
windy,
Delta, proceed
and
northbound,
I'm
remain
gonna push
outside
it
the
to
west
probably
class Delta.
55. Let's see.
Southwest 909, departure
I'm
12085.
59 right now.
Southwest 1501, squawk 1605.
Look at the signal. It's
Ground
just corrected
275
remote
Bravo, Mike,
control.
center maintain
It's really
3000,
good, the
depart
signal.
volume setting 290.
57% battery, and it's really windy. It's push. Look at that. My miles per hour is 16.5. That means that it's pretty windy. I'm just trying to get to the 12,000 feet mark. All right, 12,000. I'm gonna come back. 56% battery. That was a good test. Heading back. Yes, I push it.
It's 515, City Work Tower 1195. Good day.
Now, if you notice my speed coming back, I'm hitting 29
Good speed,
miles per
515,
hour,
City Work
28,
Tower
29,
1195.
which is the maximum speed allowed in this mode. That is the normal mode. I'm not flying sport mode, and the reason why is because it's very inefficient in sport mode. It's gonna burn too
629
much
Robert Charlie, altimeter is 2999.
battery. So your best, how I call miles per gallon, that in this case obviously is not gasoline, it's in normal mode. If you see, when I was going, I was flying 16 to 17 miles per hour, which is telling me that was really windy. Now coming back in the same mode, I'm hitting 28.4, and that speed is stopped by the drone. So it doesn't mean that I can do more. I can do way more, but the drone is gonna stop it in the 28.6, and it's not burning too much battery at all. So it's really cruising right now. So I should be fine coming back.
Medevac 55 November Yankee, altimeter 2.
I'm gonna be posting here how much was the wind. I don't know yet. I am assuming I was flying in probably 20 miles per hour gust wind. I'm gonna check in air data and post that here in the video. All right.
Number 275 Bravo Mike, set to maintain 2000.
One of my spotters is there in the train tracks.
Medevac 55 November Yankee, flagging 320, climb maintain 4000. No, I gotta give you a full, I gotta get some sex for the West Coast of the Boston. I'm sorry, who else picked on? When I get back, thank you.
It's pretty cloudy. Obviously, we have a hurricane coming.
1284 Papa, radar contact, climb maintain 7000.
And windy as well. But I wanna do this in a good wind test. Not completely calm. Probably I'm gonna do one completely calm.
811 Quebec, approach
just to see the distance, but I need another spotter. That's my second spotter.
Good afternoon, altimeter 2999. Southwest 1501, advise the field of the tank.
And I'm gonna make it with plenty battery, probably. A regular 39% battery.
Average 8889, set to maintain 3000.
Gonna decrease altitude.
Start 275, Bravo Mike, turn left heading 270.
Look at that, the drone is correct.
Flying 330.
Full forward, full down. Let's put 150.
Take a nice view.
147, there we go.
Full Papa flying 360 now. Air 629 Bravo Charlie can descend to 2000.
Yep, I can see it. I cannot hear, it's super quiet, this drone.
Medevac 5 November Yankee, understand cancellation of IFR, proceed on course, cleared in the Bravo, 2,500.
Let me cancel the return to home. Probably, as you can see, I have the rainbow LED on. I still have 32% battery. Yes, I can go farther, but I don't want to push it too much. I'm still learning this drone. It's pretty much as same as the Mavic Mini, but it's much more powerful. Look at this. It's a very nice drone. All right, I'm gonna be posting this test, okay?